Bonjour, good morning students. So last class we saw the translation of lesson number 5. Okay, so today we are going to start the grammar part of this lesson. So what have we learned in this lesson in the translation? The places about our house and the garden. What are there around the house and what are there inside the house and what is there around the garden. Okay, did you remember the translation? Yes. So let me go into the grammar now. Okay, so we are going to follow your grammar book. Open your book page 61. Okay, so you have the grammar parts in page 61. So you are going to follow the grammar parts. Okay, so ici vous avez joué au plus, non du sport. So you have jouer means to play. Okay, so jouer au, to play at, au, nom du sport, the name of the sports. Okay, so pour les sports, for the sports name. So we are going to use jouer plus au. Okay, so what is au? We learn les articles partitifs contractés. Yes. So what is that? Preposition plus le, la, les. Okay, so let me have a recall of that. So a plus le become o. Is it clear? A plus la become a la. So no changes there. A plus L apostrophe a, no changes. A plus les become AUX. So we have already learned this part. Yes. So that is A plus le. So for one example, I am going to give you. Mon frère joue au cricket. So A plus le, that comes for masculine sports. Okay. So here you have O. So we are getting le cricket. Okay. So which noun we are going to write? Article O. You have to write, see whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Okay, so mon frère joue. We are not going to say a le. Instead of a le, we are going to write o. Okay, so jouer o. So that is a le. Next one. Il ne joue pas aux échecs. So échec is in plural. So we can see A plus le become O. Okay. So next one. Je ne veux pas jouer au cartes. So again, au cartes. You can see masculine, feminine, feminine. Okay. So it is une carte, feminine, plural, and you have plural article. Okay. So for the sports name, we are going to use jouer. O. We are going to use the preposition article a accent. Okay, so we saw les articles contractés partitifs. So here you have jouer du plus instrument de la musique. So music instruments. What are the music instruments we are using? So pour les instruments de musique. So jouer du. And we saw also for de plus de. Du, de plus la, de la, de plus L apostrophe, de plus L apostrophe, de plus LIS, that comes D. Okay, so du, de la, de L apostrophe, D. Okay, so we already learned this also. So you can see pour les instruments de la musique. For the music instrument we are going to use jouer du. Okay, and joue du piano. So she is playing piano. So you have an article, preposition du. Okay, piano. So because piano is a masculine noun. Tu ne joues pas de guitare. So why they don't put la guitar? Because we saw in negative form, the la will change into D or D apostrophe. I wrote here. Du, de la will change into D or B apostrophe in a negative form. Don't forget this, okay? It is very important, this one. Next one. Je ne veux pas jouer de la flûte. I don't want to play flute. Flute means flute. Okay? So you can see piano is masculine, guitar is feminine, de la flûte. Okay? Is what? Feminine. Okay? De la flûte. So here it is also a negative form sentence. So why did put de la here? Because we have another verb. Je ne veux pas, vouloir. Okay, so we have two verbs in this sentence. So je ne veux pas jouer. I don't want to play flute. Okay, so please identify the sentence here and make sure of using jouer O for sports name, jouer du for instrument of music. So I hope you understand this how to identify. Okay, so for example, if I am telling my brother likes to play football. So football is a masculine noun. Le football. So we are going to write mon frère joue au football. Okay, so you have to revise this grammar. So we are going to go for the next one. We already learned this adjective possessive. So we already learned the basic of possessive adjectives. Mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa. So take your previous book, last year book, you have the belong, a recap of all the adjectives, okay, preposition, adjective, demonstrative, all the things are in your back of your book. Go back with that, and we already learned the masculine form, the singular form and the feminine form. Okay, so we saw mon, ton, son, ma, ta, sa, me, te, se. Okay, so now we are going to see notre, votre, leur. So the possessor au pluriel. So this is the possessor and this is la possession. Okay, in singular. So this will be in plural, this is in singular. So you can see notre ami. So notre ami means our friend. Okay, so it's a friend in common. Is our friend. Okay, it's a common friend for us. So next one, votre maison. So what is votre maison? Maison partagée par plusieurs. So it's your house. So this is your house. So it's your house. Here too many people in that house. It is shared by many peoples. Okay. So next one, leur voiture. So leur voiture, you can see leur in plural, voiture is singular. So pluriel personne, plusieurs personnes partagent leur voiture. So it is their car. So it is their car. So all the members of the family are driving the car. It is their car. They can drive. Whomever we want, they can drive. Okay. So it is their car. Next column you can see le possesseur au pluriel. So the possessor in plural, la possession aussi au pluriel. So the possession also in plural. Okay, so nos cahiers, our notebooks, vos parents, your parents, leurs enfants, their children. Okay, not children, because children is already in plural. So leurs enfants. Okay, so this is all a recap of last year. So we already saw the basic things of this, isn't it? So let me go for the next one. Préposition de lieu. So préposition de lieu, here I have written in French. You will have the meaning in English. So you are going to take your book, open to the page, grammar part that we are following. So autour de. Autour de, that is around the. Okay, so we saw around the garden. What is there? Okay, so ils ont une petite pépinière. What is pépinière? Nursery. Okay, they have many plants. So pépinière means nursery. Okay. So au milieu, and they have a garden, a small garden. Okay, around the house. Au milieu de, in the middle of. Au fond de, at the edge of. Au coin de, at the corner of. En face de, at the opposite of. Dans, in, en, in or to. So why I wrote to? En means if you are in France. I live in France. J'habite en France. Okay, so when we are saying I live, j'habite en France. Okay, or I live in India. Whatever it may be. Okay, so we are using in for that. So to, en. So when we are going to a place, so je pars en Espagne or en Inde. So I am leaving for India or in Spain. So going to a place or leaving to a place, we are using en. Okay, so this is to live in a place, this is to go to a place. Okay, je pars en Espagne. Okay, so that I will tell you for en. We have two meaning, in and to. Okay, so next one, sur, on. So we saw also in the last year book, we saw lesson number 6, the places, the preposition of places. We have a box, we have a duck on the box, so we have to place the duck where it is and we are going to say the places. Okay, under, on, at the next of, at the right of, in the middle of. Okay, so that is the thing that we are learning again. Okay, sur means on. Sous means under, devant means in front of, derrière means behind, entre means in between, par terre means on the floor, partout means everywhere, contre means against. Okay, so I hope you understood the preposition of places that we already learned. Okay, so this is all a recap. Okay, for this year. So let me turn the page. You have les verbes partager, lire, voir. So partager is to share, lire is to read, voir is to see. Okay, so you have the present tense of this verb. Okay, I wrote you for you. So we already learned the GER verb. So you can see GER verb. We are going to add a E for nous. Okay, je partage, tu partages, il, elle partage, nous partageons, vous partagez, il, elle partage. So next verb, the verb lire, to read. Je lis, tu lis, il, elle lit, nous lisons, vous lisez, il, elle lise. Je vois, le verbe voir aussi. Je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit, nous voyons, vous voyez, il voit. Okay, so this is a small recap of the present tense verb, and here are some examples for you. Je partage ma chambre avec ma sœur. So we already learned this in the translation. I share my bedroom with my sister. Okay, le verbe partager. So next one, mon père lit tout le temps. My father read all the time. So he read the newspaper all the time. Okay, we can say that. Lit. Next one, je vois mes amis ce soir. I am seeing my friend this evening. Okay, so this is the present tense of these verbs. Adjectif, nom au pluriel. So ici vous avez you have adjective and noun in plural. So we are going to see the step of the adjective, the placement of the adjective with the change into plural form. Okay, so here are some examples. First step, article défini plus nom plus adjective. So what is article défini? Le, la, les and l'apostrophe. So these are articles définis. Okay, so la femme intelligente. So how will you change this sentence into plural? So LA become LES. So we are going to add S for plural noun, and for the plural adjective we are going to add a S. You can see the changes. Okay, so this is the pattern to change an adjective sentence into a plural sentence. Okay, so next one, le livre vert. So le livre vert. So le will become LES. Livre, we are going to add a S, and vert we are going to add a S for color adjective. Okay, so we saw also the color adjective. So la femme intelligente will change into plural, les femmes intelligentes. Okay, so I have underlined for you to identify the plural sentence. Le livre vert, les livres verts. Okay, so next one, the same procedure. Article défini with adjective this side and the noun that side. So you can see here you have noun plus adjective. Here you have adjective plus noun. Okay, so we saw the short adjectives are placed before the noun. We already learned that. Okay, la belle fille. So la will become les. And then we are going to add a S, and fille we are going to add a S. So next one, le bel appartement. So le bel appartement. So when bel will change into beau. Okay, les beaux appartements. So les beaux appartements. Okay, so bel will not going to add a S. We are going to change into beau. Okay, so because we already learned that bel it is for masculine and vowel. Okay, beau it is for masculine noun, and bel it is for feminine. So when this will change into masculine plural, we have BEAUX. So when this will change into plural form, BELLES. Okay, we already learned this. Yes, like nouveau, nouvelle, nouveau. Okay, so the same procedure will be for this. So next point, article indéfini plus nom plus adjective. So indéfini means un, une, des. Yes. So un, une, des. So you have un étudiant français. So un will change into des. Étudiant we are going to put add a S, and français will remain the same because it is a nationality. Okay, so français is a nationality. If for example you have feminine, you are going to add a ES. Okay, so next one, une fille sympathique. So une will become ES, fille S, sympathique ES. So you can see it ends with the E, sympathique. Then it is not changed. It is an invariable adjective. Okay, une fille sympathique. So des filles sympathiques, we are going to add only the S. Next one, article indéfini plus adjective plus nom. So article indéfini plus adjective plus nom. Here you have the noun plus adjective. Here you have the adjective plus noun. Okay, so une will become DE. Okay, so when the adjective will be placed between the noun. be careful. So when the adjective is placed between the article and the noun, that will change into the article will change into de. Okay, the jeune fille. So we are going to change the article first, une by de, and we are going to add a s and add a s for the noun. Okay, so here un beau tableau, so a beautiful painting. So we saw tableau, it's a painting. Okay, so une. So we already learned that also. Une, they will change into negative de or d apostrophe. Okay, so une. So here you have the beau. We saw that also. Beau tableau, we are going to add a x. So did you understood? Article défini, noun plus adjective, it is easy. So we are going to add a s for each and every noun and adjective and change the article. Okay, so next one also the same. We are going to change the article and write the plural form of the noun and the articles and the adjective. So here we are going to change the article and add the s. Okay. So here also the same. We are going to change the article and add a s. And here we are going to change the article totally to de. Okay. So when we have the adjective placed before the noun, when you have the adjective placed before the noun, we are going to change it to de and add a s for the plural. Okay, so I hope it is clear with the noun in plural for the adjective. Okay, so here we have expression du temps, la fréquence. La fréquence. So expression of time and the frequency. Okay, so tout le temps, all the time. Jamais, never, rarement, rarely, and you have quelquefois, sometimes. Okay, so I have written for you in English. You have to know the meaning in English. So tout le temps means all the time, jamais, never, rarement, rarely, quelquefois, sometimes. So you have some example here. Je travaille tout le temps devant l'ordinateur. So remember that we saw this line in the translation. Yes? So my brother is working always in the computer. All the time is in the computer. Working in the computer. Je travaille tout le temps devant l'ordinateur. In front of the computer. Next one. Nous allons quelquefois au restaurant. So we are going sometimes to the restaurant. Okay, so we are going sometimes to the restaurant. Okay, so expression of time or the frequency. Okay, so next one, le comparatif. We are going to learn the comparison. Okay, so il faut au moins deux personnes, deux choses. Okay, so we need two person or two things or two quality to compare. Okay, without one we cannot compare anything. Okay, so we need two things or two person or two qualities to compare. Okay, so you see here I have given you the formation for the comparison sentence. Okay, so sujet plus verbe plus aussi ou moins. So more, even, less. Okay, so subject plus more, even or less. Adjective plus que means then. Okay, so plus complément d'objet and the noun complément d'objet. Okay, so here you have some example. Je suis plus grande que toi. So in the exercise you have the symbols minus, plus, even or minus. Okay. So you see sujet, verbe, plus ou moins, plus adjectif, plus que, plus complément. Okay, so you can see je suis plus grande que toi. I am taller than you. Okay, if you have two person, so you are going to say I am taller than you. Okay, so elle est aussi intelligente que moi. She is also even intelligent than me. So both we are intelligent. Elle est aussi intelligente que moi. Okay, so next one. Vous êtes moins sérieux que. So you are less serious than them. Okay, vous êtes moins sérieux que. You are less serious than. Okay, so let me take your book. So you have exercise. So I hope it is clear with the grammar parts that we learned. Okay, so you can refer again the grammar video and start to do the given assignment that I am going to give you. So let me have a small recap of all the exercise. I am going to explain you the exercise, how to do it, and you are going to do on your own. Okay, referring the grammar. So exercise number 1, you have 10 exercise. Choose the right preposition. So we saw the preposition of places, isn't it? So we are going to choose the right preposition and round the right preposition. Okay, to choose. Okay, so for example, I am going to tell you one example for each exercise. Le livre est, the book is, around, sur means on, partout, everywhere, la table, the table. So you are going to choose the right preposition. That is for exercise number 1. You have to write the 5 questions. Okay, question, and we are going to round into black pen. Okay, so do neatly your exercise. Second exercise, faites des phrases avec les éléments donnés en utilisant l'une des prépositions de lieu qui convient. So, you have words, subject, verb and the places, and you have to write a sentence using the preposition. So, first one, elle, met, clé, table. Okay, so what is elle? She. Mat, to put. Clay, keys. Table, table. Okay, so how we are going to frame this sentence? And may. So we are going to conjugate the verb. Elle met les clés sur la table. So she put the keys on the table. Okay, use the simple preposition. Okay. So she put the keys on the table. Try to do the other exercise, the remaining exercise also. Okay, so B, C, D, E. So next one, the following exercise. Faites des phrases pendant l'examen. So here you have the singular sentence. You are going to change into plural. You have example. So you are going to follow the example and do this exercise. Fourth one, the present tense. So you have the verb in bracket, in infinitive. So you are going to see the subject and change the verb into present tense according to the subject. So next, fifth one, the comparative. Faites des phrases selon l'indication donnée. So you are going to write the correct comparison and frame the sentence as it is given here. You are going to follow subject plus verb plus adjective de comparaison plus adjective plus que plus complément d'objet direct. So these are very important what I am doing in the board. Okay, it is very clear for you. Okay, to understand. So next one, sixth one, change the sentence into plural. Okay, so we already learned how to change the sentence. We are going to identify the noun and the adjective. Okay, and add the S if it is needed. Okay, so plural noun we have to put a S. Okay, so next seventh one also, you have the sentence into plural. You are going to change it to singular. So you are going to do the opposite. Okay, so eighth one, transformer phrases are like il y a. You have an example, so you are going to follow. You are going to cancel the subject and the verb, and you are going to write il y a, okay, instead of the subject and the verb. So ninth one, répondez. So answer to the question. So you are going to, I am going to tell you the meaning of this exercise. You are going to answer on your own using my grammar talk. Okay. Qu'est-ce qu'elle lit? What she is reading. So what will come the answer? Elle lit un journal. You are going to use the verb that I taught you, isn't it? The verb lire. She read a book or a newspaper. Okay. Pourquoi est-ce que vous partagez pas votre chambre avec votre sœur? So pourquoi means why. So why you are not sharing your room with your sister? So pourquoi? So we are going to give a reason. So I am not sharing my room with my sister because etc. You can write your own idea. Okay. So next one. Combien de journaux est-ce que vous lisez? So combien de means how many? How many newspapers do you read? Okay, so you are going to write the numbers of newspaper that you are reading per day. Quel film est-ce que tu vois maintenant? So, quel means which. Which movie you are watching now? Okay. Next one. Où est-ce que les chats jouent? So, who means where. Where are the cats are playing? So, you are going to write the answer for that. So 10th one, it will be easy. You have two verbs, lire, écrire. So we already learned the verb lire in the book. So écrire also we already learned last year. J'écris, tu écris, il écrit, elle écrit, nous écrivons, vous écrivez, ils écrivent, elles écrivent. You can refer your book back and learn this verb also. So you have the sentence and you are going to fill up with the verb lire or écrire, to read or to write. Okay, lire means to read, écrire means to write. So I am going to tell you the explanation of each sentence. You are going to fill up with read or to write, and you are going to conjugate the verb. Now need to write the verb as it is. So be careful with that. You are going to conjugate the verb according to the subject. We like a lot Flaubert. So Flaubert is a poem. Okay, Flaubert. Nous dash ses romans. Okay, so is a novelist. Okay. Nous aimons beaucoup Flaubert. We like a lot Flaubert. We dash his novels. Next one. C'est le nouvel an, is the new year. You dash a carte postale. So you are going to send a greeting card to your friend during festival time, isn't it? So now we are sending messages. But in our days we are sending greetings card for New Year, Christmas, okay, or any festival. So next one. Pour améliorer mon français, to améliorer, to progress my French, to improve my French. Pour améliorer, to improve my French, je dash des livres, I dash books. Pour ne pas oublier, not to forget, we dash in the notebook. Chaque soir, mon enfant dash ses leçons. So each evening my child dash his lesson. Okay, so that is over for this lesson. So you are going to do all the exercise. You are going to write the question and the answer. So I want clearly your exercise to be done. Okay, so refer your grammar that I taught you and go with the translation also. This is over for lesson number 5. Thank you.